Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Minecraft tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to see hitboxes in Minecraft. This is actually quite simple. To do this I start Minecraft in the Java edition and here I have my character and a few animals. I can show the hitboxes in Minecraft with a little shortcut. This is F3 and B. B like in Bravo. And now we can see the hitboxes. Note that this does not work for invisible players or NPCs. If I no longer want to see the hitboxes, I press the same key combination again, F3 and B. If you are wondering how this works in the Bedrock edition, I'm sorry to disappoint you, this function is not available there. And that's all you need to know about hitboxes in Minecraft. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy, bye!